it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. Today is our June Patreon tutorial. Now, for this, we are actually going to be sending out 2 projects this month. You will either get a black or a brown Leatherette koozie and some dark gold Thermoflex Plus. You will also get a white Bella and Canvas t-shirt, as well as the Mint Specialty Materials Glitterflex Ultra and the Coral Specialty Materials Thermoflex Plus. You're also going to need some scissors, your easy wooden pick, your t-shirt guide, and the files are available on my Patreon page. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for our June Patreon tutorial is we need to download our files, which if you go to our website, which is our Patreon page, which is www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher, then we're going to go ahead and click on Rockin' the Dad Life, which is under the June Patreon SVG post. We're going to click Save, and then we're going to click on the Sweet Summertime and click Save. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and go to our upload folder. And as you can see, I've already taken and uploaded those files. So we're going to go ahead and click Insert Image. Okay. The first thing I want to go ahead and do, 3, is change the size of the Rockin' the Dad Life down to 3 inches. Now we want to go ahead and ungroup our Sweet Summertime and go ahead and attach that portion. Perfect. Now we want to go ahead and select the rest of Sweet Summertime and click Attach on that. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and click Make It. So as you can see, everything is separated out into 3 mats. We want to go ahead and mirror all 3 sheets. There we go. We're going to go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to choose Glitter Iron-On because the summertime color is glitter. And then I'll change it back to regular when I go to do it. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do. Okay, so I've already loaded my white t-shirt onto the heat press, and I am putting my t-shirt guide up in the top 2 corners. As you can see, I use a 16-inch t-shirt guide because I have a 16-inch press. Now, I've weeded the vinyl to save time. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take our coral layer, fold it in half, and line that center mark up onto our t-shirt guide. There we go. Now we're going to take and cover it with our Teflon sheet. But yeah, again, I went ahead and weeded this to save time because y'all know this part, the weeding can take a while, especially when we're doing 3 separate projects. Now, I preheated that first layer for 5 seconds. We are going to heat the second piece for a lot longer, but because, there we go, we don't want to change the shape of our vinyl, we always do the first layer shorter. There we go. Now we're going to heat this for 15 seconds. Doesn't take too long. There we go. remove the clear plastic. And then we'll repress it again for another 15 seconds and this shirt will be done. And I think it's absolutely adorable. But I think my favorite thing is making the dad koozie. So while that is heating, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic off of my dad koozie. And again, I went ahead and weeded this because to save time. Okay, now this is finished. Look how absolutely adorable this is. Tell me that doesn't just scream a summertime. So we'll go ahead and set that to the side. Now we're going to lay our koozie on the heat press. Now because this is a Leatherette koozie, it doesn't fold exactly even. So we're going to go to this side just a hair more than this side, if you see what I'm saying. And then that way, whenever it is actually open, like this, it will be centered. But this is pretty easy to lay out because it does take up most of the space, as you can see on the koozie. And I like to keep it a little closer to the top than I do the bottom, just depending on the can. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do, turn the heat press, and we're going to heat that for about 10 seconds. And this doesn't need a final pressing because this isn't something you're going to throw through the washing machine. I would not recommend putting this Leatherette through the washing machine. Go ahead and remove that. Now you can see what I mean about moving it off to the side, but look how good that looks. Now remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. If you hit the notification bell icon, it'll notify you when I post new videos, but the more that you interact with the channel, the more notifications you will get. Don't forget to go ahead and check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember, we post a new video every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But I guess that's it for today, so we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.